Wow, we have some really different geese. These white geese. Normally we just have these other ones. These are huge. Don't fly off. Wow. That's really cool that I get to see these. So these Canadian geese are usually what we see. I don't know what these are with the like pink, brown head and back. And then there's a couple other stuff down there too, different birds. How super cool. Oh man. I wasn't gonna come down this way, but I decided to. I'm glad I did. Everybody's having a great time. All right, bye-bye.